walkthrough of this MT09 2021. The new screen, new riser, new frame, new swing arm, new exhaust, new forged rims. So it's a completely new bike with the new headlamp. The engine also is new, so basically it's a complete new MT09. And 890cc. Handling is superb. Suspension is also done properly with the quick shifter, is super butter smooth. Then what you get, actually it's like I said, it's a completely new MT09. It doesn't come close to the Gen 1 and Gen 2. So if you talk about handling wise, it's a 505. Headlamp, you gotta get used to it, but it will grow on you. So it comes with the mode, traction control, ABS, so we have run about 1,400 kilometers on it up Cameron Highlands. So basically this bike, I will buy this bike. I will actually swap this bike for my old MT09, and it's really recommended. A new frame, new engine, everything is completely new, but you still get the master of torque. So we are here at this pretty cool place where you can have the Citroen, a Peugeot,